Hey, I'm Fish. How's everybody doing out there? I'm using the DJI Osmo Pocket 3, the DJI Mic 2, and I am shooting with color. And we're going ahead for a nice bike ride. And we're gonna go and have some fun and get some shots going. It's my first time in 2024 of summer shooting with the Pocket 3. So I'm not sure how well it's going to perform in the heat. I personally have nothing to worry about because I don't start my video, run the battery down to 0, and stop the video. I shoot 10 seconds, 20 seconds, 3-minute videos. I don't shoot 10-minute videos, an hour video, 3-hour video. But if you want me to, I can. Who's gonna sit there and watch me talk for hours on end? And that's where we take a video, make hours of video, make it down to a couple of minutes. Yeah, you put your camera on time lapse, motion lapse to get shots like this of a sunrise, a sunset, a cloud formation, and more. Fish, let me ask you, is the Pocket 3 a beach camera? Fish, is it a camera to go snowboarding and skiing with in the winter? Steve WB, is it a camera to take to the attraction park and capture those moments while on a ride? Magix user, is it a camera to take on the one wheel and ride around? All that good stuff. Fish, is it a camera to put on the bicycle and ride around town? Fish, is it a camera to take on a cruise, walk around town, go anywhere on a vacation? I tell you what it's about. I'll tell you like it is. I'll tell you what it is for. Check YouTube out and you have your answers to all your questions. Oh, I forgot my lights on. I need to conserve. Oh, I got the cruise ship coming in. Oh man, I'm by the beach. I'm walking along with the camera in hand. I'm at an amusement park, yes indeed, but I ain't on a one-wheel. But I am on a bicycle and I am doing the shots for you. So I'm trying to grab the cruise ship. I'm on 2x digital zoom. That's gonna ruin my shot. It's not gonna make it 4K anymore. And I am gonna go into the editor and zoom in some. So as it was zoomed in, did it look any good to you? Was it presentable? But at least you got the shot. So let's zoom on out. And let's zoom on in, if I remember to put some zoom in, of the editor. Which ones did you like? Zoom, 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 zoom. Today I'm shooting basically with the DJI Mic 2 without the artificial noise on. So you hear all the sounds. You may have heard the lady running with a phone in hand and the music going. And the wind is blowing to me into the mic. And here's the mic always inside the shirt. And that's how I like wearing it, on a rope. It's hands-free and is the actual sound of the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 stereo with just one mic. It is 2 mics in stereo that you can hand off to get sound left and right channels. So if I shut the mic off, will I get stereo sound during a video. And the mic is off, and there you have the actual sounds of the Pocket 3 internal microphones. And yet I don't have it set up and don't know what it's set up actually on. I'll have to stop you and let you know what it's set on now. If it's omnidirectional to pick up all around, front or back. And I know it's on something like that. It's on stereo. It's on noise reduction on and all around. So if I have the DJI mic on, which I'm going to turn back on, and when it kicks in right now, what is it exactly on? I would have to go into the camera and see what's actually on, what it sounds like. Stop the recording. The DJI Mic 2 is on -6 dB and noise reduction off. It doesn't have the ability to do all around omnidirectional sound, but the Mic 2 is omnidirectional. It is. It picks up sound no matter where you're at. So if you would take the mic and lay it down on the table and walk around, and that we can do. What I don't like about my mic and the magnet that's on it, I have to pull it off. And there we go. We're gonna walk around, but the problem is I have to put face tracking on. So can I click on it? Face tracking's on now. So let me walk around the best I can and maybe put the mic over here for you to the side. So this way you can get an idea of what it sounds like. That's my magnet. And there it says Pocket 3. So get up. We'll walk around. This way you can hear the sound go around the camera. From the distance, how does it sound to you? And go all the way around the best I can before I start to lose you if I go any further than that. I can't go any further. So my videos give you a lot of information. Oh, fish, he doesn't talk loud enough. Oh, fish doesn't talk loud enough. Yeah, come on back down here. I can still see the cruise ship coming in. I don't know if you're going to see it. So let's get the mic. Oops, you may hear a tap there. Let's get the magnet back on. Put the microphone back on me. And let's get our moseying down. Go for a small bike ride. So you got a lot of information here about the DJI mic, the camera, how I use it, how maybe you use it, and so forth. So the DJI Mic 2 does a nice job. Oh, yeah, stop recording. So as we stroll along on a nice, comfortable ride, I want to make sure I get on the right side of the road so I don't get run over by the police. So let's get on out of here, go have some fun. Yes, indeed. Now, I could cut all that out where I rotate the camera, but at least I could automatically do it. And it's not that smooth when you do it that way. I could have followed it around. So you're following? You subscribing? Did you like? I'm sure you did. I got a rear view mirror. It's my Pocket 3. Let's get on out of here. Because I'm not sure if he's stopped. He turned around. He went somewhere else. Little free library. Oh, yeah. What do we got here to read today? Yeah, we got some good books indeed. Inline skating. All right. I could go get my skates. Yeah. And go skating. But I haven't done that in such a long time. This is a block I like to go down. Yeah, man. I love these houses right here. They really make the area. So as we mosey on along, get on back, I got a lot of things to do and I got an important project to get going. And I gotta, and I see up ahead why this is a block I like. Well, it's a nice shot right here. Sit there and go paint. Yes, indeed. Beautiful shot. Just about the golden hour. Yes, indeed. Is it the golden hour? Probably just about ended. Yeah. You get all your good shots in when that sun shines gold. You see any shots in the pocket 3 of the golden hour? Well, in hand, all this video, maybe 70 some odd % battery power. Camera's warm to the back. Yeah, it's not hot. It's warm. Haven't overheated. Haven't overheated yet. So I said a lot, I did a lot, I shared a lot, and I talked a lot, and I made a couple of videos, and yes, indeed, I'm thinking, but I'm not getting. Oh, how nice it would be to have a Insta360 1x3. I don't know if I want a 1x4 because there's a 1x4 1-inch sensor. I don't know. I didn't follow, didn't see any videos. But the thing is, I could really use one right now. So I can stick it on out and show you that I'm riding along. I'll make good with what I got. And hopefully it'll make a nice story indeed. But like I said during this video towards the end, I got a nice project I'm going to be working on. And get on out, get on there, get on out, go have some fun, and share the fun with me. That's not what I wanted to say, fish. I wanted to say, I'm getting on out, I'm getting on there, I'm gonna go have some fun. I'm gonna share the fun with you. So stay tuned, stay alert, and let me show you what I could find here and take along with me. So get on out there, go have some fun, because you never know what you're gonna find. Well, DJI Osmo Pocket 3. Time to put you in the pocket and get on ready to get on out. Go have my cup of joe and enjoy my day and have the fun I like to do and share. I'm gonna go sit down and go edit and go figure out what to do, what to put. Well, yeah, when I use Filmora 13, I hardly ever use those transitions anymore. It's all cut and paste and put in, done. And on that note, I'm Fish. Catch you on many other videos to come. Before I get going, record, cancel. If you're having troubles and you're telling people, I don't like it, then maybe we don't know how to use our camera.